Namaskar, welcome to Tourism Simplified. So today we are going to discuss June 2024 RENET exam complete solution and analysis. So I hope you will like this video and it's very important video for your upcoming exam. So let's talk about question number one, which was asked from your theories of motivation. You should also prepare others' theory of motivations with this question, which will be very helpful to you for your upcoming exam. So first question was achievement, power, and affiliation are the important needs of that help explain motivation. Which theory of motivation is this statement associated with? So this theory was given by McLean theory of needs. So you should know about it. I have already pasted a screenshot of McLean theory of needs. You can read this about this theory and you should know. And it was given in 1960 by David McLean. So I will make a separate video about theories of motivation, but that's thing for other days. Now your exams are very close, so I can't make all those videos in that short term. But I will definitely make a complete syllabus videos. So let's talk about question number two. Question number two is again from the question from theories of motivation, which is Maslow hierarchy need theory. So the question was asked to arrange these things in a chronological orders, Maslow's hierarchy need theory. So it was very basic question and very easy question to attempt, and I hope you already know about Maslow hierarchy theory. So he has give this pyramid which is very famous. On the base of this pyramid comes your physiological needs. After that, the safety needs. The third one is belongingness and love needs, and fourth one is self-esteem, and last one is self-actualization. So the things comes under these various steps are also mentioned in this particular screenshot. So you can uh, go through this thing. You can pause this video and you can answer this question on your own. So for now, this the right answer will be very simple to answer should start with option number A at the first, because this hunger needs, these comes very bottom of the hierarchy. Second one is your need for your security. So option B will be the right answer for this question. A, B, C, D, E. That's the right answer. First one is your hunger. Second one is your security, economic security. Third one is sense of belongingness. Fourth one is need for recognition, and fourth one is your tuition of your own capability, which is called as self-actualization. So the question number 53, which means question number three, it's from research unit. It's very easy question. It has directly come from the types of research. So if you know about types of research, for example, ethnography, phenomenology, grounded theory, and case study. I have already made a video for 2023 December paper where I have explained these four terms, and the same question was asked in your exam. So I already have discussed. There were many questions which were asked from this that single video. I think 5 to 6 questions were easily asked. Please go through that video. It's very important video there. So let's solve this question here. Ethnography. Ethnography is very simple. You can directly answer this question by looking at this single term here, immersing. When someone immerses in a social setting to know and observe the behavior of that society or culture, that's called your ethnography. So A belongs to 2, so you can eliminate your options 2 and 4 here. And second one is your phenomenology. Phenomenology means experience of every observation or every event. So that's your phenomenology, how individual makes sense of the world around them. That should be your answer for this. B should be matched with 1. So your answer should be option number 1. From you can solve your entire question by just looking at 2 terms here. So answer should be your option number 1, but we will go through all the options. Grounded theory is very simple analysis of qualitative data that aims to generate theory. When we want to generate any theory out of research, we use grounded theory. And the first one is case study. You have heard about case study. Definitely, you have heard about case study. So it's about describing the document history of a person, group, organization, or event. So your option number one should be the right answer for this question. I have already given some description about these things: narrative research, phenomenology, grounded theory, ethnography, and case study. You can take a screenshot of this. You can go through these terms because these are very important, types of research. Every year, question is asked from these four, five type of research. So please go through them. It will be helpful in your paper one and paper two as well. So next question is your fourth question, which is from market segmentation, marketing. It's the question from marketing. Very easy question. If you know about these segmentation, a little bit about segmentation, you could have answered this question very easily. So the question was asked when Titan, which is a watch company, planned to launch fast track watches. It targeted student of metros and mini metros. The basis of this market segmentation is, so this is done on the basis of your demographic segmentation. So I have pasted a screenshot here. You can go through what is geographical segmentation, what comes under geographic segmentation, demographic segmentation, your psychographic, and your behavior. So please go through these things. These are very important. Uh, Question is definitely asked for market segmentation. These are some few topics from which every year the question will be definitely asked. Definitely asked. These market segmentation, your motivation theories, your types of research. These are some topics which you can pick, and you will definitely find a question from these units, these particular topics every year. So let's talk about question number five, which is your question number 55, which was from research again. It was from variables. So in case we increase the amount of direct supervision on the work area X, there would be a charge in the worker productivity Y. But under the condition of the complexity of the task being performed, which is Z, in this statement, Z represent X is your independent variable here, and productivity, which is Y, is your dependent variable. So Z is here. It's providing the complexity of the task. So it should be your moderating variable here. What is mediating variable? Mediating variable is from which the process go through. For example, you smoke a cigarette, and smoking cigarette cause cancer. So what happen actually when you smoke cigarette? uh, it could damage your tissues, which leads to your cancers. Okay, so this process, this tissue damage, it works as your mediating variable. It's a mediating variable. It's a media through which the process is happening. So the answer should be here moderating variable, because complexity, how complex is your task, things will depend upon this. So it will be your moderating variable. I have pasted a screenshot where you can learn about these things, like independent variable, dependent variable, and moderating variable. So independent variable is which has which researcher can manipulate, observe. And dependent variable, as the name suggests, if the observation, or you manipulate your independent variable, the observation can be taken on your dependent variable. How dependent variable is affected by your independent variable. And moderator variable, it can increase or decrease the relationship between independent and dependent variable. Please go through these things, these terms. Variables are very important for your paper one also. Paper one, questions are frequently asked from these different kind of variables. So please go through in these last days. These are very important topics which we are discussing here. So please go through these topics, and if you have not make any notes of it, please do make notes of it. Try to understand these terminologies, and it will be very helpful. So question number six. Question number six was very simple question. Actually, I didn't answer this question right in this exam, but yeah, it was a simple question for those who has read about this thing. So it was asked: the traveler sees what he sees, the tourist sees what he has come to see. The statement was given by G.K. Chesterton. So I have pasted the photo also, so please you can remember this thing. So question number seven, it was asked from the question was very simply asked that who is father of railway. So George Stephenson. He was known as the father of railway. Question number 8, which was from your 5 year plans. Unit number 6, which is planning, tourism planning based on your 5 years plans. You should know how much they have contributed for tourism, and your plans and policies, and important schemes. So please do remember these few topics from that unit, and that will be enough for you. So answer was very simple here. If you only know when tourism was declared as a industry, you can ask, answer this question from that option only, which is B ka one. So the option number 4 would be your right answer for this thing. And second one, which is your 10th 5 year plans, option D, tourism development through National Development Council. So NDC was established during 10th 5 year plan. So answer, you can answer this question through that option also. Question number 9, which was again very simple question from current affairs that time. So 46th World Heritage Committee selected the new UNESCO site in India, which was your royal burial mounds of the Ahom dynasty, Assam. So it was a current affair question at that time. Very simple question. So it is a 43rd World Heritage Site of India. Please do remember these, small facts and informations. It will be helpful. Question number 10. Michael Porter. So Michael Porter, it's a exceptional type of question. Sometimes we don't expect these kind of questions, but yeah. So still you can answer this question using your some guesses, or educated guesses, not random guesses. Yeah. For example, he has asked about force shaping competitions. So what are the forces that can shape competition in an industry? और पूछा है कि कौन सी नहीं कर सकती इनमें से. Answer should be this D and E. Why D and E? Because bargaining power of the employees, it has nothing to do with competition of the industry. And the second one is threat from stakeholders. You can't have threat from stakeholders. For example, if someone is having some kind of stake in your company, so they will be your well wisher, not your enemies or competitor. So these two options cannot be the answer for me. That's how I have guessed this question in the examination hall. And you can do the same thing. Use your logical brain. Many questions can be asked only by applying some random logics. Uh, it's not important that you have read everything. So use your brain, because every question will be not asked from what you have read. So be prepared for the questions like this. I have never heard about this Michael Porter, but still the question was very doable, and I have done this question right. So you can also do these things. So the answer was fourth one, D and E, which is bargaining power of employee and threat from stakeholder. Rivalry among existing competitor, yeah, that's a again it shapes the competition. Threat from new venture, again it will increase your competition. Threat from substitute, again it will increase your competition, because your product will be outdated, and again it will be tough for you to survive. So all ABC were the right thing for shaping your competition, but bargaining, it doesn't make sense, and the threat from stakeholder, these two options looks a little bit odd here. So you can also answer questions like this. I'm not saying that's the right way, but it depends how you think. Because if you are expecting only those questions which you have read, then I don't think your preparation is going right, because you can't guess everything. So be prepared for random questions, and try to put your some logical mind there. So question number 61, which was again a simple question, sitter, but I have done this question wrong. GI tag of Rasgulla, which state has? So Odisha is the right answer. I was confused with West Bengal and Odisha, but they have fight between for GI tag, and finally Odisha won the GI tag of Rasgulla. And question number 12, 62, which is from tourism projects and the states. So it's a complex question. It may but yeah, I will tell you the right answer for this question. So you can guess this thing from Kohoma. Kohoma is from Nagaland, so you can make some guesses like this, random guesses. But yeah, I have no idea about this question. So question number 13, which is a very easy question. It's a question from airport. which airport is situated where. So first of all, this your Veer Savarkar International Airport. It's situated in Port Blair. So what's the code for here? I think IXZ is the ITA code. And Lal Bahadur Shastri Airport, it's situated in Varanasi. Option number two. C is matched with two. And Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli International Airport, it's situated in Guwahati. And your Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, it's situated in Hyderabad. So option number one will be the right answer for this. And question number 14. It was asked from, again, it's a research-based question. When we make a research report, how we, cite things, what are the abbreviation used in citing? So there are, 10 to 12 abbreviations, out of which many abbreviations is asked in paper one, and now the same question is asked in paper two. So please do recite these all citations. So I have pasted a screenshot here. Right answer for this previously cited is opposito. Option number B, OPCID. Pasted a screenshot here, which will be helpful to know about this thing. IBID is used for when you mention the same page twice in a row, same things. And opposito is used for previously cited work. And ETAL is used for when there are multiple authors. And ETSQ means uh, and following means other people's. So these are some full forms of these and meanings of these abbreviations. There are 10 to 12 abbreviations. You can Google all abbreviations. These all abbreviations are important for your exam. Please go through them. Question number 15, which comes from, again, from the video, December 2024. I have mentioned Benelux countries there. Especially, I have, mentioned these things. I have pasted a screenshot there because I was saying he question may be asked from next year. The question may be asked from Benelux countries, so you should know about this thing. So answer was very simple. There are three Benelux countries only: Belgium, Netherlands, and Luxembourg. And your answer will be the option number three, which is Netherlands. Question number 16, which is from IATA areas. If you remember word map and the IATA dividation of word map, so this question will be very easy for you. So answer was Samau and the Palau. These are the competence area two. India comes under I think competence three. So question number 17, which of the new feature innovated by TripAdvisor by linking social and the global positioning technology? Trip journal and navigate online. I have googled this question. I have no about idea about this thing, but it's question from unit number five, travel agency and tour operator. So please search about this thing and all major travel agencies of the world, what they have launched, their mergers, acquisitions, their founders, and year of founding. So these are important things. Their CEOs. Question number 18. Moti or Pearl Mosque was built at Shahjahanabad. Again, this question was from 2023. So it's about the chronological arrangement of the international air transport breakthroughs. So American Airline fired the first transcontinental B-70 flight from Los Angeles to New York. So that was the first incident that happened out of these four. And after that, Pan American Airline inaugurating this Sabri CRS, and after that, Pan American World Boeing 747 jumbo jet was launched, and it flew 352 members from New York to London. If you go through aviation history, which is very important, every year question is asked from aviation history, especially these planes like Boeing and major airline companies during World Wars. So most of the questions is asked from them, and also question is asked from these online reservation systems, aggregators like Subway, Amadeus. These all are important. You should know about their history and who developed them and their merger and acquisitions. So these are important things. And the aviation history is very important, like railway history and transport history throughout the world. You should know about these things. So question number 20. Question number 20 is from high-speed trains in Europe and their routes. TGV run in Switzerland and France. It's a France-based, high-speed rail, and same is for Renfe, SNCF. It's run between Spain and France. So your option number three would be the right answer for this question. and your super city runs between Czech Republic and railjet between Australia, Germany, and Switzerland, Hungary. So option number three is the right answer for this thing. And please take a screenshot or whatever you want. Question number 21. Question number 21 again is a question from to arrange in sequential order. These days questions, many questions are asked to order in sequential order, especially the paper which got cancelled in June. There were more than 20 questions which were asked for chronological order or sequential order. So these are the types of trending questions ready for these kind of questions. So right answer for this question is the first thing that happens was a Manila Declaration that signed Antarctic Protocol of Prevention of Marine Pollution from Mediterranean Sea, and after that your Convention for Caribbean regions and Johannesburg Declaration. It's the last one. Please go through these important declarations which are mentioned here. You can Google them, make some notes of these conferences because question might be asked from these conferences in future. So please go through these things properly. Question number 72, it's from second unit number 2 your again ITA global indicators. Answer was option number 2. I don't know about these things much, these ITA things. And question number 23, it's my favorite question. In December 23 wala video, I have already told you about these odd ratios because it's most expected question, and the question is again asked here in 24. What is leverage ratio? Leverage ratio is extent to which you can debt your financing. Is so your leverage ratio. What is your activity ratio? Activity ratio is effective use of your resources, and the profitability ratio is return generated on sales. It's very simple. How you get profit when what's the return on your sales or investment? That's your profit. So you can have answered this question very easily from option number C. C is matched with 2, and there is only one option which is matched with 2. C which has C matched with 2. That is option number 4. So your answer would be uh, option number 4. And growth ratio is ability to maintain economic position. I have detailedly discussed about leverage, activity, profitability, and growth ratio in my this December wala video. The videos are very lengthy, but there's a reason for that kind of lengthy videos because I have explained the things there. I have not just marked the question answers. I have explained the answers properly so that if in future these question or any related question from those things are asked, so you will be able to answer them. I have also pasted a screenshot here, and that will be helpful for you. Ratio analysis, which is liquidity ratio, leverage ratio, activity ratio, and profitability ratio. Take a screenshot of it to quickly revise things. Question number 24, which is airline codes of Aeroflot and Egyptair are. So right answer is it's your SU is for Aeroflots, and Egyptian Airlines is for MS. Sorry. So your right answer will be B and D. Option number B and D, SU and MS. So question number 75. The prominent feature of Bekal Special Tourism Area project in Kerala are. If you have a little bit idea about what this project is about, answer this question. So it's for conservation of the dilapidated Bekal Fort and development of beach of international standards through integrated resort development. So this is your option number 3 is your right answer for this question. So that's it for today. I will be uploading this entire question paper here with solutions. And if you have any kind of doubt or in any question or you want detailed solution of any questions or about any topic, you can comment down there. I have also pasted a link here for WhatsApp group where you can find PYQs, uh, PYQs, PDFs, and other notes and any information related to your exam. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.